Okay, let's unpack this. Today, we're taking a deep dive into Amazon Route 53.
Right.
It's AWS's foundational DNS service.
Exactly. The Internet's address book, essentially.
We know DNS is crucial, but Route 53 seems to take it, well, a step further for cloud stuff.
It really does. We're focusing on, I think, three main things today.
Yeah, the core pillars: DNS management, health checks, and domain registration.
And our mission really is to show you how Route 53 connects your users to your applications reliably.
Whether they're in AWS or somewhere else entirely.
Precisely. The sources show it's pretty critical, goes way beyond just basic name translation.
Okay, so let's start with DNS management then. You said it's more than basic.
Yeah, I mean, it operates this huge global network of DNS servers.
Well, for speed and reliability.
Exactly. Super low latency, very reliable, and beyond the usual records, A, CNAM, etc. What's fascinating here is the advanced routing. Think geolocation, latency-based, weighted routing.
So it's not just sending traffic, it's deciding where it should go intelligently.
Precisely. Based on where the user is, or maybe server load, it optimizes things.
Okay.
And there's the traffic flow visual editor that lets you map out complex routing visually.
No coding needed.
Nope. Makes it much simpler. And for internal stuff, inside your VPCs, Route 53 Resolver handles those private lookups.
That visual editor sounds useful. But thinking about scaling up, what's a common mistake people make, maybe with weighted routing? Sources mention any pitfalls.
Yeah, a common one is not being granular enough with the weights. People might set like 50-50 too broadly.
Instead of using it for finer control.
Exactly. Like for gradual rollouts, A/B tests, shifting small percentages of traffic, the source is really stress testing carefully. Even small weight changes can have a big impact globally.
Makes sense. Start small.
Oh.
Okay, but what if an application does have issues? That brings us to health checks, right? The guardians of uptime.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it. They constantly ping your endpoints, web servers, whatever.
Using HTTP, HTTPS, TCP requests.
And if an endpoint fails those checks,
Route 53 steps in.
automatically reroutes traffic away from the failing one.
So connecting that to the bigger picture, this enables that proactive fault tolerance.
Absolutely. Achieving 5 nines, that 99.999% availability, it's not just talk.
It's vital for business.
Totally. Especially e-commerce, financial services. Route 53 helps build the architecture to actually hit that goal, diverting traffic before users even notice a problem.
Impressive. Okay, so beyond directing traffic, Route 53 also handles the first step, domain registration.
Right. It tries to be a true one-stop shop.
Search, register, manage domains, all inside AWS.
Yep. No need to juggle third-party registrars.
So how does that really benefit you, beyond just being convenient?
Well, security is a big one. You're managing domains under AWS's, pretty strict standard.
Reduces the attack surface.
It does. Plus, automatic privacy protection, easier WHOIS management. It streamlines your ops quite a bit. Less hassle.
Okay, here's where it gets really interesting, I think. Connecting all these pieces.
Yeah, it's the integration.
DNS management, health checks, domain registration, they work together.
That synergy gives you reliability, massive scalability for handling queries globally.
And security features too, like Resolver, DNS firewall.
And DNS SEC. That cryptographically signs your records, prevents spoofing.
So it's guarding the gates.
It is. And think about the integration with other AWS services, ELB, S3, CloudFront.
So it speeds things up. Development cycles.
Definitely. Building cloud-native apps becomes much simpler. Imagine setting up a new service, registering the domain, having health checks control traffic. All in minutes, one console.
And without reliable DNS.
Users just can't reach you. That means lost revenue, damaged reputation. It's foundational.
Right. So for listeners just starting out, what's the practical advice from the sources?
Focus on key concepts first. Hosted zones, public versus private. Understand those.
And start with simple routing policies.
Yeah, don't jump into complex geolocation routing on day one. Start small, maybe with a test domain.
Good tip. And monitoring.
Definitely enable CloudWatch monitoring for health check failures. And prioritize security, use DNS SEC.
Got it. What about common pitfalls to avoid?
Oh, definitely misconfigured health checks. Setting thresholds too low causes flapping.
Where servers bounce between healthy and unhealthy.
Exactly. It creates more noise than it solves. Also, remember DNS propagation time?
The waiting game. Up to 48 hours?
Can be. Forgetting that leads to major frustration when debugging why changes aren't live yet.
I can imagine. Anything else?
Yeah, keep an eye on query costs if you have high traffic. And always enable auto-renewal and privacy protection for domains. Don't let them expire accidentally.
Crucial details. Okay, so wrapping this up, what does it all mean? Route 53 is clearly more than just an address book.
Oh, much more. It's dynamic, it's intelligent traffic control, it's a security guard for your online presence, built for reliability.
Designed for performance.
Exactly.
So final thought for our listeners.
Well, as everything becomes more distributed, more cloud-reliant, how does really understanding a service like Route 53 change how you build systems?
Makes you think about resilience, scalability.
Right. What new possibilities does that unlock for connectivity in the future? And remember, you can actually try a lot of this stuff out in the AWS free tier. Get your hands dirty.
Good point. Experimentation is key.